Hey guys, so today we are at Federal Signal Corporation and I got my tour. I got a Federal Signal hat and here I'm standing right under a 2001 130. Right there is a 508, which I've seen before. And I actually got to hear the Federal Signal modulator here, which is freaking loud. You guys can see this bad boy over there, and right there's an Eclipse 8, which I've never seen before. Federal Signal everything here. It is nothing but Federal Signal sirens here.
Walk over to see the new one. Because you can get a video of the new one with the light that nobody else has.
I'm standing right under the Eclipse 8. Now we are walking over to the Federal Signal DSA 4 and the Federal Signal modulator. Just look at these control panels. They're just humongous. And right there is the siren I've seen today. Those are all the control panels. Right there is the control panel. Right here is where the batteries are. Another battery compartment and a control panel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. And if you guys ever want to come see Federal Signal Corporation, you can get a tour, but you have to stop in Oak Brook, Illinois, to get your so you could like see everything, and then you have to come here to University Park where Federal Signal is, and you can get a tour.
Oh, that's the pump station for the fire.
And there's the Eclipse 8. I am so upset that they do not have a Model 2 here.
Oh, they didn't?
No, they don't. I'm going to go over to the control panels for the 2001 130. Here they are. Here is the 508 siren. It's up there. Hear that sound?
Yeah.
If you guys listen closely, you can hear the sound. Is it coming from here? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.